A mysterious vampire box containing objects reputed to ward off monsters attracted huge interest when it went under the hammer at a Derbyshire auction. These types of boxes originated in the 1800s. They were serious kits in that period, as superstition and fear were part of everyday life. Belief in vampires, an undead creature said to need human blood to survive, goes back hundreds of years and persists in some parts of the world today. The lockable, velvet-covered box, lined with crimson silk, contained an oval enamel painting depicting the resurrection of Christ, carved ivory wolf in robes carrying rosary beads, percussion cap pocket pistol, cobalt blue glass vial with white metal lid, contents unknown, 3 clear and aqua glass bottles, rosary beads, 3 crucifixes, 2 sets of pliers, a pocket knife with mother-of-pearl handle and silver blade, a bottle containing shark's teeth, and a copy of the New Testament.